Hi, today's topic for the video is the Medwatch. Medwatch is the Food and Drug Administration Safety Information and Adverse Event Reporting Program. It interacts with the FDA Adverse Event Reporting System, which is FAIRS. Medwatch is used for reporting an adverse event or essential event. Founded in 1993, this system of voluntary reporting allows such information to be shared with the medical community or the general public. The system includes publicly available database and online analysis tools for professionals. Medwatch also distributes information on medical records and other clinical safety communication via its platforms. Voluntarily reporting by healthcare professionals, consumers, and patients is conducted on a single one-page reporting form from FDA 3500. Reporting can be conducted online, by phone, or submitting the Medwatch 3500 form by mail or fax. In 2013, Medwatch introduced Form 3500B, which is designed to facilitate reporting by healthcare consumers. The Medwatch system is intended to detect safety hazards signal for medical products. If a signal detects, the FDA can issue medical product safety alerts or order product recalls or withdrawals or labeling changes to protect the public health. Important safety information is disseminated to the medical community and the general public via the Medwatch website and the Medwatch e-list. Raw data from Medwatch system together with adverse drug reaction reports from manufacturers as required by regulation are part of public database. Online tools such as eHealthMe that analyze the database are available for both healthcare consumers and professionals. The database was used by generalists to investigate FDA's drug approval practice. Second is yellow card, uh, MHRA. The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agencies is the executive agency of the Department of Health and Social Care that acts on behalf of the ministers to protect and promote public health and patient safety by ensuring that healthcare products meet appropriate standards of safety, quality, and efficacy. We keep watch over medicines and devices and take necessary action to protect the public promptly if there is a problem. The Yellow Card Scheme. The MHRA runs the Yellow Card Scheme, which collects and monitor information on suspected safety concerns involving a healthcare products like a side effect with a medicine or an adverse medical device incident. The scheme relies on voluntary reporting of problems to healthcare products by the public as well as healthcare professionals. The scheme also collects suspected safety concerns involving defective, falsified, or fake Healthcare products. Always read the patient information leaflet or instructions supplied with your medicine or medical devices. It lists the known side effects or problems and advises you on what to do. You can report safety issues from any healthcare product to the Yellow Card Scheme. Healthcare product includes first is medicines, second is vaccine, third is blood factor and immunoglobulin products, fourth is herbal products or complementary therapies such as homeopathy, medical devices including software, apps, and artificial intelligence, e-cigarettes including their refill containers, e-liquids. It is important for the people to report problems experienced with healthcare products as these are used to identify issues uh, which might not have been previously known about the purpose of the yellow card. It is provided an early warning that the safety of a product may require more further investigation. The Yellow Card Scheme health, the MHRA monitor and safety of all healthcare products in the UK, ensures that they are acceptably safe for patients and users. Reports are used alongside other safety information and they help the MHRA to take the action if any trends associated with the safety or efficacy of healthcare products are identified. Every report counts and important, so if in doubt about reporting a suspected issue, the advice is to please report it, as yellow card reports can help prevent future harm to others. When you submit a report, you will receive a notification of submission which will contain your unique reference number. Your report will go onto the database after a quality check. So sometimes we may need to get touching you for more information. The MHRA use yellow card reports in different ways, including highlighting the reports as a possible safety issues on the MHRA database and keeping a close watch on the safety of the product by monitoring similar reports. Nothing the patient perceptive of the effect, fault or complication to better understand the impact of the people who use the product. Conducting a specific analysis of similar yellow card report to identify potential new safety signs. The MHRA transparent in the data it receives. See what type of problem are being reported to the yellow card scheme, where you will find interactive drug analysis profile which contain complete data for all spontaneous suspected adverse drug reaction or side effect which have been reported on a drug substances to MHRA via the yellow card scheme from healthcare professional and member of the public. They also include reports from pharmaceutical companies that have legal responsibilities to report the MHRA. Next is CIOMS form. The CIOMS form. In 1977, a CIOMS conference on trends and prospective drug research development recommended that by offering an independent forum, CIOMS should facilitate discussion of policy matters between the research-based pharmaceutical companies and national regulatory authorities, and when indicated, convey group of experts to make recommendation on specific issues. The CIOMS set up its first working group on pharmacovigilance as a working group on international reporting of adverse drug reactions to explore means of coordinating and standardizing international adverse drug reporting by pharmaceutical manufacturers to regulatory authorities. Its agenda was limited to post-marketing reporting of adverse drug reaction occurring in one country and which the pharmaceutical industry should report to regulatory authorities in other countries where the drug also marketed. The working group devised a method for the reporting by manufacturers of suspected adverse drug reaction, which includes standardized definition, procedures and format. The report contains the CIOMS reporting form 1, which for the first time set the minimum standard for reporting. The CIOMS form first was later the basis for establishing many of the national reporting form. The initial report of the working group was established in 1987 and the final report of the CIOMS working group first is international reporting of adverse drug reaction was published in 1990. In 1992, the CIOMS working group's second report, International Reporting of Periodic Drug Safety Update Summaries, was published. Since then, more than 10 working groups, including the recent 2 working groups dealing with vaccine safety, have completed their work, creating an extremely valuable set of pharmacovigilance guidance document. The impact of CIOMS working group on global development pharmacovigilance has been substantial. Several ICH, International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceutical of Human Use, Guidelines such as E2A, E2C, E2D, and E2F were based on the work of respective CIOMS working group. ICH was established in 1992, and in 1996 it started developing the ICH E2B guideline to harmonize international electronic transmission of individual case safety reports (ICSR), to standardize the data elements for the transmission of all types of ICSR regardless of source destination. This includes case safety report for both pre-approval and post-approval reporting periods, and covers both adverse drug reaction (ADR) and adverse event reports. Today, most electronic exchanges of ICSR uses the ICH E2B standard. Since the CIOM's first form is the reporting form not primarily intended for electronic exchange between database linking to the CIOMs.